the amount of growth that I've had, I'm unraveling it. Look at that. Measuring it with my fingers, look at that. And this is just 3 weeks. Okay, I'm going to barely tug on my hair and show you, measuring with my fingers, how long my hair has grown. Again, all I'm using is my SWANKD Organics products, nothing more. I have not washed my hair at all. And that is only because I was afraid of slippage and my hair coming out. But today I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and let you guys see how the hair holds up as I wash it, and then what I'm going to do to refresh the look. I put my hair up because I want to make sure that it's air drying. I do not want to take any of the water out of the extensions as of yet. So it's air drying. So what I'm going to do is, and I don't want to put any holding edge control or any gel in my hair, because again, it's flat now. It doesn't matter now. I just want to make the curls pop. And the curls is a little pop-in because of the conditioner, as you can see. But I want to still go ahead and apply a product in there and let the curls be defined. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils wrap me mousse. And this is to tame frizz, define curls, and it creates a soft wrap, okay? So I'm just going to apply this to the extensions of the hair, and hopefully the curls will be defined more. And with it being wet, that'll work to my advantage, okay? So again, you can apply this, or you can apply gel if you want, or you can apply the edge control that you first used, but I'm not using that. Also, my natural hair is still twisted in there, so I'm applying this setting lotion, or this mousse as they're stating it is, and I'm applying it to where my hair is, and then working it down throughout the passion twist. Because I also want to make sure that my hair doesn't look so crazy and has a frizz to it when this hair dries. Again, the whole point of this is to refresh your curls so you can then wear your hair for probably another two weeks to a month. But I will be keeping this in for another week because I want to go ahead and do another hairstyle for you ladies. And again, this is how I'm refreshing my hair. Look at that. I'm just in love with this hairstyle. Shout out to the creator once again. I am in love. I love it, love it, love it. I will definitely be doing this hairstyle again, perhaps in the summertime when I go to Jamaica. Okay, so there you have it with applying the setting mousse. And here is my hair. So it's not that bad. My hair did not come out or poof up. That is really good. So after you go ahead and apply the product that you want to use to define your twists and refresh your curls, go ahead and get your moisturizer. I will be using my SWANKD Organics Daily Moisturizing Cream. Again, I did say in the beginning that I was going to tell you guys what I use to grow my hair. It is the one that comes in the 8-ounce jar. And just go ahead, while your scalp is still wet, your hair is still wet, go ahead and apply some and then just massage it in. After I moisturize, I'm going to go ahead and use my Daily Hydrating Spray. Okay? I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my scalp. This is going to help with the odor as well. And it also helps with blood circulation. So while I had this installing, the only thing that I was applying to my scalp was this Daily Hydrating Spray, my Daily Moisturizing Cream, and my Edge Grower. Okay? Okay, so once you do that, you want to make sure your hair sets. You can air dry it or you can use a blow dryer if you want, but I do not want to use a blow dryer because then my hair will get a little bit more frizzier than it needs to be. Okay, so after I apply those, I'm going to go ahead and touch up only my perimeter. I don't need to focus on the rest of the hair because I'm not going to wear this hair any much longer. Probably do a week only because another con, when I washed my hair, some of the hair kind of slipped. Let me show you. This one slipped more than it needed to. Probably like the smudge, but that's the only thing that I would tell you guys to be aware of. Yeah, if you have small size, it probably won't slip out. But I definitely have medium, and it did slip out a little bit. I don't know if I was too rough, but I think I wasn't too rough when I was massaging my hair. But again, it could have been because the water added to the extension probably weighed it down a little bit. Ooh, my scalp is feeling so good, so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this jam. I'm going to use jam because I don't want to use edge control. It leaves a lot of buildup. This doesn't leave as much. So I'm going to do it as if I'm retwisting or refreshing dreads. So I'm just going to apply some and then twist it, 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 until it gets super tight. Super tight. And then rest it backwards, okay? refresh my pattern twist, cleanse my scalp, and keep these curls popping. Again, I will not be wearing this hair longer than another week. You can push for a month and a half to 2 months, depending on how fast your hair grows. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and post it down below.